If you're banging your head against the wall trying to get N8n or Make to connect to Google Cloud for YouTube or Maps, I found a little trick that might help you out. In this video, we'll connect to N8n to Google. It won't work. We'll do something cool and then it will work. Let's create a credential for Google services from N8n. You'll pull any YouTube node onto the canvas, and then under Credential to Connect With, select the drop-down and click Credential. Then go to console.cloud.google.com, click on the projects on the top left area, click on New Project, and name it something meaningful, and click Create. Now select the project either in this notification drop-down or up in your drop-down on the top left. You want to make sure that the top left drop-down says that you're running these commands in the project that you created. Scroll down and go to APIs and Services and click Enable APIs and Services and select the items that you want to enable, such as Google Sheets, and click Enable. Let's say Gmail and click Enable. And you'll do this for every Google service that you want to connect to from your automation. Now go to the OAuth consent screen, click Get Started, give your app a name, give it a support email, and click Next. You can't select internal unless you have a paid account, so click External and click Next. Put your contact information, click Next, agree to the term, continue, Create. Click the Create OAuth client. Select the application type is web application. You can call it anything you like. And then under the authorized redirect URIs, go back to your N8n pop-up screen and select the OAuth redirect URL, add that as a URI, and then click Create. And it says that OAuth is restricted to test users. Now go back to your N8n project and copy in the client ID, Google Auth Platform Clients, and then click on that Download OAuth client on the far right. It'll give you your client ID. So fill in the client secret, click Save, and now sign in with Google. Use the email that you signed in, and then you'll get this access denied thing. Just tear your hair out. Go back over to the web client, click on the pencil, click on APIs and Service, OAuth Consent. Click on Audience, scroll down, click on Test User, and add the user that is logged into N8n. Close the pop-up and sign in with Google again. So it allows the test user, but not the developer. Google hasn't verified this. Click Continue. Select all, Continue. Connection saved, and now you should be able to run using that credential. But you can't because you didn't add the YouTube API. So go back to the console, click on the top left menu, click API and Services, Enabled API and Services, and click YouTube. And the correct one is YouTube Data API v3. Click Enable. Go back to your N8n app, click Test Step, and it works.